Hello everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to the finale of the Hat and Cowl Fall Make Along, where we are going to be picking 3 winners. This is the Hat and Cowl free pattern, which is on Ravelry, which I offered up for the make along, and we've had 28 people who have entered, with 83 entries, and they're all in the bucket here, as you can see. And I think we can take these off now, don't you? This is a child's one, it just about fits me.
Yeah, and it's called the Disley Sisters Hat and Cowl set, for those of you who want to know.
And I'll put the link in the description box if you haven't got your copy.
She will, and this is where we mess our hair up now. I feel like still I look like my mother when I have
I know. I know. Oh God. So we just thought we'd start with a giggle.
As always.
As always, yeah. So we should be called the Giggle Sisters, really, shouldn't we? So anyway, there are 3 prizes for up for grabs. So this is, I haven't told you what's in the bags because I wanted it to be a surprise. So this is prize 3, prize 2, and the first prize is the Taunton tote, which Arjun has made, and it's full of goodies as well.
Oh, loads of goodies.
So yeah, so Arjun is going to pick the winners, and as I showed you, they're all in the bucket. So let's pick the first prize, the third prize. We're doing it in reverse order. So prize number 3 goes to,
and good luck to everybody that's entered.
Oh, Vera Myberg! Yay! Congratulations, Vera. You have won prize number 3. Just hold that a minute, and I'll put it in there. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And then prize number 2 goes to... She's giving it a spin.
I'm giving it a good mix, everyone, to be fair. Kimberly Harrison.
Congratulations, Kimberly.
You've won second.
Yay. Second prize. And the grand prize goes to... me! No, me.
We didn't enter.
No, we didn't. Would have been a bad form if we had done.
Imagine.
I know. And we'd have won. That would have been bad.
Amy Knits, congratulations, you've won the first prize of a Taunton tote.
Yay, Amy!
Well done.
Congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
So if you can email me at this address, with your home address, and we will get your prizes sent out to you. Once again, thank you to everybody taking part in the Hat and Cowl Fall Make Along. We're going to do one in the spring, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what we want is for you to give us ideas on what the spring make along should be.
Yeah.
So if you can, in the comments below, give us some ideas on what we can do the make along for spring next year. That would be awesome. We plan to do 2 make alongs a year.
Yep. Yep.
So yeah. So if you've got any ideas for us, what we should make for the spring make along, which will start in March, and the winner will be picked in May.
Don't forget we're away in May.
No, it'll be at the beginning of May.
Okay, the beginning of May.
So you'll have about 6-7 weeks to enter. So yeah, guys.
And then maybe Linda can design a knitting pattern for it, or a crochet pattern for it.
We'll see.
Yeah. Well, I've got to donate the bag.
All right, guys. So if you've got any ideas what you think a make along, what you would like to take part in a make along, what kind of object you would or project you would like to make for a make along, give us some ideas. Yeah. And we look forward to hearing from you all real soon.
Yeah.
Take care, everybody. Stay safe.
Thank everybody for...
Thank you for entering. See, she's, you know.
Yeah. And thank you everybody that supported our little business. Even we really appreciate... I'm doing a Linda. We really appreciate everybody that's purchased from us. And yeah, hopefully we'll do a giveaway at Christmas.
Yeah. So shall we?
Yeah, we'll give a Christmas bag.
Yeah, we'll give a Christmas bag away near a Christmas. Maybe
Yeah.
at the end of November we'll do a
Because I've got one made.
yeah, and I will add some yarn.
Yeah.
So we're going to do one at in December, maybe the end of November, beginning of December. But anyway, thank you everybody for your support. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you on the next video or live.
And keep doing a Linda, everyone.
And doing a June.
Bye.
Bye.